What's up, familia? Today, we're gonna be cooking Creole okra with chicken. I really like this recipe. It's really delicious, and sometimes I underestimate how delicious it actually is, because when I made it, I wanted to eat it myself, but I was making it for my mom, but I had to resist the urge. Anyway, what you'll need for this recipe is some okra, or a bag of frozen okra from Walmart or wherever you get your okra from, doesn't even matter. Some Creole seasoning, some extra virgin olive oil, and some canned chicken breast. You'll also need a tablespoon, a quarter teaspoon, and a frying pan. Alright, so first things first, we're going to warm the okra. It's so interesting, all the discrepancies that I find between like products from Vegas and products from El Paso, because this specific frozen bag of okra doesn't have any microwave instructions, but it doesn't matter. I'm still gonna put it in the microwave. I think I put it in for like 5 or 6 minutes. I think 5 minutes, we'll see. Yes, 5 minutes, and should be done in about 3 seconds. Okay, or yes, I think it's done at this point, whatever. So now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan. This is optional, but I don't know, I just tend to like it. I think that like cooking things in oil just give it more flavor. I could be wrong, but I just like it. But it is optional. I've made it many times without the oil. So as soon as the oil is heated, you're going to take your bag of steamed okra and just kind of spill it out onto the pan. You don't have to drain it. You can if you want to. I don't really think there's any point to it though, because as you cook it, I'm sure more juices will leak out. So you just want to, move it around. This is one of those dishes where you can cook it to your liking. Here you just see me, draining chicken, in case, people don't know how to drain chicken. Just so you know, I really have no idea what's at the top of the can half the time. It usually doesn't stay, usually doesn't transfer onto the chicken, but I just assume it's fat. So or like a preservative. So add the chicken to the pan. And at this point, we're just kind of, mixing things around. Truthfully, you could eat this whole thing, quote unquote, fresh, or like simply fresh out the microwave, you know what I mean? And then just add the chicken. You don't have to cook it. But, like I said before in another video, I just like cooking. I just like things on the stove. So I'm mixing this around. I'm really just gonna cook it until I get tired of cooking, or I just, feel like it's done intuitively. I think I'm just giving it a chance for the flavors to like, meld together. Because I'm definitely not trying to get a char on the okra per se. And here, let's see how much seasoning I add. I want to say 3/4 teaspoon, but we'll see. All right, 3/4 teaspoon at the moment. I remember when I finished with this dish, I remember feeling like, should I add more seasoning, or is it like perfect right now? It was a really weird feeling. I'm like, this tastes real close to perfection, but it doesn't taste like salty, or like there's no flavor that's like screaming out at me, So I don't know if maybe I just decided to not add any more, because how it is with salt over here. So I just kind of left it. And it's a really delicious dish, very healthy in my opinion. So like I think with this dish you're getting 8 grams of fiber just from the okra. I guess that's the only contributor of fiber in this dish, but I just like it. I really do like it. It's really delicious. And I'm just cooking. At this point, the dish is getting a little dry, not really dry, because the okra has so much like liquid to it. I think it'd be kind of hard to really dry out okra. I mean, it's possible, but you really have to go at it. But it was getting a little dry at this point, and so I just kind of took it off the pan and plated it. So as you can see, it comes out delicious. I guess you can't see if it's delicious, but trust me, it's delicious. Here's the price per meal breakdown and the nutrition facts. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Goodbye. Oh, wait. Comment, share, subscribe. Do the things that you need to do to make this channel go viral. Now, goodbye.